people, I'm Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dyetta, where we discuss all things fabulous. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the December Delta box. For those of you who don't know, the Delta box is a subscription-based box that is exclusively for the sorors of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. There will be a link in the description box below if you would like to subscribe for your own Delta box subscription or if you would like to gift one to a soror. So let's get started. Ooh, in this month's box, we have 3 goodies. We have the 2004 Delta Sigma Theta Planner. So what I really like about these planners is that it does have tabs, if you can see that, for each of the months, and then each month there would be a theme. There are also monthly reflections for each month, as well as you can take a monthly view for each month. Next up, we have Lead to Win, How to Be a Powerful, Impactful, Influential Leader in Any Environment by Soror Carla A. Harris. So I love a good book. I hope that you guys do as well. And so I will be reading this. And then we also have the red and white Delta Shield knit blazer. And so I'm really excited about this piece as well. As you all can see, it is a knit blazer. And then, of course, we have the Delta Sigma Theta shield. There are actually functional pockets. So sorors, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing of the December Delta box. I look forward to 2024 to see not only what the year has in store for Delta and the Delta box, but for you and myself as well. Don't forget that I am Dyetta on Instagram as well. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. And until then,